so much to have you here with me today. Good morning. How are you? It's so much to have you here with me today. It's time for the season song. Let's sing the season song. The spring, summer, and fall. That I for season of the look outside, that you will see. It is summer. It is summer. It's so weird. It is dinosaur time. So this is a dinosaur. It's 14 feet, and it will find Colorado. It is fun fact time about Colorado. Colorado State on August the 1st. State break. Like Bunting. Fun to visit dinosaur natural monument. It's fun to know time. The city of Denver, it's 1 mile above sea level. Is this a Colorado? No, this is Texas. No, it's Texas. Do you know? No, well, is somewhere next to Utah. Is this in Colorado? Yeah, it'll be fun, Colorado. That's where the Stegosaurus lived. Bye guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe. And if you love the dinosaurs, just press on my subscribe button below. Bye guys. Blue. Bye. Blue. Bye.